In this video, I am going to teach you how to draw a oval without using any tool. Stay tuned. We are going to start right now. What's going on? My name is Karthik, an art teacher in a school from last couple of years. Welcome to my channel. Drawing oval is a very difficult task. Have you tried drawing an oval in freehand? Just grab a pencil and try to draw an oval without using any tools. Now, you should have got something like this. Even if it is a perfect oval, the oval will not be in a smooth stroke. It will be an unsmooth stroke, something like this. Leave a comment below what you got. To draw a proper oval, you should follow few rules, just like drawing a circle. If you want to learn to draw a circle, check out my playlist here. Rule number 1, never draw using your fingers or your wrist like this. Rule number 2, never rest your elbow, let it be free. Rule number 3, you should use your complete arm to draw. As I had explained, drawing a perfect circle, you should even practice drawing a oval. Grab an oval shaped object and trace it on a paper using marker or pen. Then take a pencil and trace the oval which you had drawn in a marker clockwise and anti-clockwise. It should not be too fast or too slow. Trace this oval clockwise 20 times and anti-clockwise 20 times. Remember the rules. Never draw using fingers or wrist. Never rest your elbow. You should use your complete arm. After this, hold your pencil, move your hand in an oval motion with the same speed you were moving while practicing. But don't touch the pencil on the page first itself. After 2 or 3 movements of the oval, then touch the pencil and don't try to stop where you started. Try to draw a complete oval twice so you will get a proper one. Try this method, sure you will get it. Practice this method every day for a couple of days. Here there is no tricks and practice makes you perfect. To learn the other basic shapes, check out the link in the description below. If you like this video, please do like and share. And don't miss to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Bye.